Welcome to these video lessons in which I'm going to be talking about affiliate marketing and how you can become an affiliate rock star. Now, unfortunately, affiliate marketing is a very competitive industry because it has a low barrier to entry. So anyone can become an affiliate. And there's a lot of competition out there, and it's very difficult for people to make money as an affiliate. So, there are ways for you to differentiate yourself from the competition and things you can do to make yourself stand out and also to have a competitive edge over your competition. So that's what I'm going to be going through in following videos. One of the first things you have to do if you want to be successful in affiliate marketing is to build a list. And I'm sure you've heard this before, okay? You absolutely have to build a list if you want to be successful in affiliate marketing. Okay, the main reason you want to build a list is once you have a list of subscribers, you can continually promote affiliate products to them. You could promote affiliate products to them every day if you wanted to. If you do it right and then you don't spam your list, you could actually promote products every day and your list will love you for it. I mean, that's what I do. Okay, now first, so if you want to build a list, you have to have a squeeze page or a landing page, which is a page that your potential leads would first visit, and that is where they are offered a free gift, and they would fill in their information on an opt-in form. Okay, so to build a squeeze page, there are many tools out there. You could just go on YouTube as well. There's some free video tutorials, and you could also purchase software such as ClickFunnels, Lead Pages, and Optimize Press. Those are the main ones, or at least the top of my head. And I'm sure there's a lot of other tools that are cheaper, but these three tools are probably one of the most expensive. Actually, I'm not sure about Optimize Press, but I know with ClickFunnels and Lead Pages, they are pretty expensive. I use ClickFunnels, and it is very easy to build a professional looking squeeze page with ClickFunnels. Okay, and another thing you want to do is you have to have an autoresponder when you are building a list. An autoresponder is a software tool that you use to collect a database of your subscribers, and it'll also automatically send emails to your subscribers. Okay, and you could also send messages whenever you're promoting products to all your subscribers using an autoresponder. The top ones out there are GetResponse and Aweber, and there are a few others that are pretty good. I highly recommend GetResponse though. Okay, so with that said, I'll see you in the next video. Okay, in this video, I want to quickly go through how to find affiliate products to promote. Now, let's start with internet marketing related and home business and make money online related affiliate products. Okay, so what I do to find these types of products is, first of all, I go to muncheye.com, and this is where you can find the latest launches. As you can see, they're sorted by date here. So today being January the 1st, or actually it's actually December 31st right now, but tomorrow is January the 1st, and you can see the launches tomorrow, and then January 2, 3, and so on. Okay, so you can basically pick and choose the products you want to promote here. I also go to JVZoo, and again, this is mainly for internet marketing related products. You could see the top sellers of the day, the top sellers yesterday, and the past 7 days, and the past 30 days. Okay, and also on JVZoo, what I do is I do a search for products too. So if I'm looking for something related to, say, list building, or something related to CPA, or how to make money with surveys, or something like that, I put in those keywords here, and I do a search for those types of products. Okay, another network that's great for finding internet marketing related products is the Warrior Plus. Okay, you just go to the affiliate section and click on offers, and you will find some offers here. Okay, and that's sorted by launch date, but you could also sort it by sales and conversions. Okay, and again, you could just type in a keyword if you're looking for a more specific type of product. Okay, now let's go to ClickBank here, and this is not just for internet marketing related products. You could find all types of niches here. So if you're not in the internet marketing niche, highly recommend you go to ClickBank. Okay, and you could just go to the affiliate marketplace here. And it's not just digital products here, it's also physical products that you can promote, like supplements. And as you can see here, this is all the different categories. There is employment, games, green products, health and fitness, home and garden, parenting, politics, spirituality, new age, sports, and so on. Okay, so let's just take a look at health and fitness, since that is the biggest niche out there. And it comes up with over 1,500 results here. So there's over 1,500 health related products that you can promote. Now, this is a great way to separate yourself from the competition. There's a lot of affiliates, they just promote products, and a lot of the times you can see right through them, and you know that they just want to make the money. They're not interested in helping their customers and their subscribers. Okay, so that's what's great about making review videos. Do a review the products that you promote, and let the customers and your subscribers know that you care about them and that the product that you're reviewing is of quality. Of course, try to be honest too. So if the product has some faults, some negative aspects to it, point those out, and also especially point out the benefits of the product. But just don't give away too much information in your review videos, because you want your customers and subscribers to remain curious about the product. You don't want to give away too much information about it. Okay, now if you don't want to be in the video, which actually I highly recommend, it's more effective that way, but if you don't want to do it, you can just do it on a PowerPoint or on a Word document like I'm doing here. Okay, and lastly is for tools. There are a lot of tools out there. There's free tools and paid tools. The tool that I recommend is Camtasia for recording your videos. In affiliate marketing, the competition is fierce. Okay, a lot of affiliate marketers do not make money just because of the competition out there. A lot of people are being promoted the same product from dozens of other affiliates. Okay, so you have to give people a reason to buy from you and not your competition. So one way to do this is to offer bonuses. So if they purchase something through your link, you're going to reward them with a bonus product or a few bonus products. And you could either create these bonuses, or you can just buy the rights, such as resale rights or private label rights to products. And there are several websites where you can purchase them. You can find them on, or actually you could just go on Google and just type in PLR or private label rights or resale rights to find these types of products that have already been created for you, and you have the right basically to resell them or to give them away as a bonus. Okay, another thing too is you don't have to, but it's also a good idea to create a bonus page. Okay, so it's a web page that you would create, and you would list all the bonuses on there and also the benefits of the main product. If you know basic HTML skills, that should be good enough, but there are software tools out there that you can purchase to quickly create these bonus pages. So to recap, if you want to be successful at affiliate marketing, you have to build a list of subscribers that you can continually promote products to. Okay, in another video I also taught you how to find affiliate products to promote, and I also recommend you do or create review videos to separate yourself from the competition and also to give more information on the products to your customers so they know that they're buying, so they know what they're buying and that it's a high quality product. And also, they're going to see your honesty too as you point out the negative features of the product. Okay, another thing you want to do is to create bonuses. Okay, you have to create incentives for your customers and subscribers. And as I stated earlier, there is a lot of competition out there. So you have to give them a reason why they should buy from you. Okay. Now, some other tips here. When you're emailing your list, don't just use the swipes that are provided to you, because a lot of these affiliate products have email swipes that you can just copy and paste into your autoresponder. Okay. Now, you don't want to do that. You want to use your own words when describing products and when you're emailing your list, and use your own personality. And eventually, your subscribers and customers will get familiar with your personality and will know that you're a real person that they're dealing with, not just someone who's continually copying and pasting these little sales emails. Okay? And lastly, don't be afraid to email often. Well, you have to try and find what's right for you and your list. Okay? And you don't want to spam them. Okay? I email my list every day if I can, sometimes twice or even 3 times. But most of the time, I email once a day, and that's what works for me. And that's, my customers seem to be happy with that.